If success was given to you today, would you be able to keep it? Everyone wants success. Very few prepare for the responsibility that comes with success. Success doesn't ask if you're excited, it asks if you're ready. When I became a millionaire for the first time at a very young age, I lost it just as fast. Not because I was stupid and not because I was unlucky, because I didn't have the skills, the structure, or the emotional discipline to hold it. Success given before capacity is built doesn't elevate you, it exposes you. Money, influence, and opportunity, they don't change you, they reveal you. This is why businesses fail after fast growth. This is why promotions break people. And this is also why sudden wins might collapse. Capacity always has to grow before reward. Test this. Instead of asking, how do I get more? Ask, what would break me if I got it today? Build that first.